So I'm back with another wig review. So this is Beauty Elements Destiny wig. It is 100% Remy human hair, okay? This particular unit is called HH Barbie Me in 10 inch. And it's in the color jet black. I was really excited to actually try out this wig because when I saw it in the store, I bought it in a local beauty hair supply store. I like the price and I like the look. You know, it seemed like a simple unit. When it comes to wigs, I don't like having to do too much. So I felt like this was a perfect purchase, okay? The price was good and the style was nice based on what I saw on the mannequin. So I was excited to actually try out this wig. I liked the texture of it. I love the color. And when I put it on, it felt very lightweight. The cut was really nice. Like, the cut is phenomenal. I really love the cut of this wig. It felt very soft and it looked really natural. Like, it looks like a natural unit, like it's my natural hair. And I have to tell you, I wore this for a few weeks and I have to say that I was getting a lot of compliments when I wore it. It looks nice and bouncy. It looks really natural. Okay, so right now I'm showing you a side-by-side view of how this unit really looked. But I was feeling this a lot and I loved how it looked. It looked really nice. It felt comfortable on my head and I loved the color. This was a great affordable type of style. It only cost me like about $60. I felt like it was a good price. You know, if you're a person, you don't like to do too much when it comes to putting certain units in your hair, you don't even have to style it because it's already styled. I didn't even have to press this unit. So all I do is after I wear it, I put it on my head mannequin and that's it. I don't have to press it. I don't have to fix. All I have to do throughout the day is make sure I comb it out, you know, to make sure it still looks nice. But this is like a low maintenance type of style. Now, if you're interested in this wig, I will leave the link down in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in and I will see you guys in the next review.